ground test on the Lotus 5. This is set up for a single deployment. I put the shear pins up top, blocked off the holes here that would normally be for the eBay, and I do have some extra kind of like aluminum tape that really holds this well inside, and shear pins are on holding the lower body. It says about 2 grams. I'm going to do almost 3 on this test to make sure it separates. Again, I am just setting this up for a single deployment for the first flight, and if this needs to be a cert flight, the Cicerone J335 redline motor pushes around 1,500 feet, so that's not too bad. The field's big enough where it can come down like that, or I can just use my chute release. And I've had good luck with the chute release. Knock on wood, I've had 100% open rate with it. Alright, I got my charge all set up, ready to put in. Alright, just about to connect power to igniter. I've got 2 slow motion cameras going, and I'm excited to see this test. Again, hoping to break these shear pins, and this nose cone stays attached to the coupler or eBay, making a single deploy. Alright, hook and power up, be right back. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was awesome. Little smoking wad there. That was the wadding in the in my well. Wow. How'd that hold up? Yeah. Nomex. Wow, look at this. So this all worked out really well. That worked out great. That broke those 3 shear pins, and this is what I was talking about, keeping this intact and making it a single deploy. And how I did that was, you can see in here, kinda. You can see I put this aluminum tape on that covered all the holes, and I used it way in there, if you can see it, another reinforcing point holding the nose cone to the coupler up here, because that aluminum tape is super like sticky. Yeah, this fire shield is, yeah, this Nomex shield is mint condition. Still protected the parachute really nice, and the way this all came out looks good. So I'm pretty happy.